All right, welcome to The Explainer. Let's talk about something that can feel like a pretty big deal, picking a crypto exchange. And you know what? It is a big deal. Whether you're just dipping your toes in or you're a seasoned trader, making the right choice here is absolutely crucial. So today, we're going to cut through the noise and break down the best options out there for you. So, ever feel like you're just lost? I mean, with thousands of crypto exchanges out there, trying to pick one is like searching for a needle in a massive digital haystack. It's totally overwhelming. But guess what? We're going to sort this out today and make it a whole lot simpler. I promise. Okay, so think of this as our map for today's journey. First, we'll cover where your crypto journey begins. Then, we'll explore 3 different paths: securing treasure, high-speed trading, and exploring frontiers. After that, we'll see how we can bridge 2 worlds, crypto and traditional finance, and finish up with your ultimate cheat sheet. Let's get right into it. All right, section 1, your crypto journey begins. It's all about taking that very first step. And in the world of crypto, that first step almost always takes place on something called a spot exchange. So what on earth is that? Let's break it down. You're going to hear this term spot exchange thrown around all the time. But honestly, it's super simple. It's just a place where you buy or sell crypto, say some Bitcoin, and it's delivered to you right then and there. It's instant, it's straightforward. You're literally trading on the spot. That's it. It's the starting point for pretty much everyone. Okay, let's explore our first path, securing treasure. This one's for the cautious treasurer out there. If your top priority, the number one thing you're worried about is safety, if you're asking, where is my crypto going to be the safest? Then yeah, this section is definitely for you. Look, when we're talking about your hard-earned digital money, security is everything. And let's be real, not all exchanges are built the same. But there are a few titans of trust that treat your funds like they're in a high-security bank vault. Let's meet them. First up, we've got HTX. You might remember them as Huobi. These guys are true veterans. They've been around the block. And their whole reputation is built on 2 things. First, deep liquidity, which is just a fancy way of saying you can trade big amounts without messing up the price. And second, a huge focus on protecting your stuff. That's their bread and butter. And then there's Binance. You just can't ignore the king of trading volume. But what's really cool is their security. They have this thing called the SAFU fund. That's S-A-F-U. Think of it like a giant rainy day fund, an insurance policy for users. They take a little bit from their trading fees and put it into this massive pot, just in case something ever goes wrong. It's a huge peace of mind. Okay, so safety's covered. But what if you're all about speed? What if you're a market racer? This next path, high-speed trading, is for the active traders who need their platform to be fast, reliable, and packed with powerful tools. When it comes to trading at high speed, a few titans really shine. You've got Bybit, famous for its lightning-fast trading engine that basically has 0 downtime. It just works. Then there's BingX, which is super interesting because of its social and copy trading features. You can literally just copy the moves of professional traders. It's an amazing way to learn. And finally, if you want to trade everything, not just crypto, there's PrimeXBT. It's this all-in-one beast where you can handle crypto and traditional markets from a single spot. All right, time for path number 3, exploring frontiers. This one's for the altcoin hunter, the adventurer who's not just interested in Bitcoin, but is out there on the digital frontier, searching for the next big thing. So, is this you? Are you the one scrolling deep, hunting for that hidden gem, that potential 100x project that nobody's talking about yet? Well, if that's your game, you gotta know that the biggest, most mainstream exchanges, they're not gonna have what you're looking for. You need to go to a different kind of place. So where are these altcoin hunting grounds? Well, first there's MEXC. Think of it as the undisputed champion of getting new tokens super early and with crazy low fees. It's a gem hunter's paradise. And then you have KuCoin, known as the People's Exchange. Why? Because it's got a library of over 700 altcoins. It's just a massive selection. If you want choice, KuCoin is where you go. Okay, so far we've been living purely in the crypto world. But what if you're also into stocks, or Forex, or commodities, like gold? Well, our next section is all about bridging those 2 worlds, where crypto meets traditional finance. And this slide lays it out perfectly. On one hand, you've got your crypto-only exchanges. They do one thing and they do it well: digital assets. Bitcoin, altcoins, that's their world. But on the other hand, you've got these hybrid brokers. And with them, you can trade crypto right alongside stocks, Forex, you name it, all from the same account. It's the whole financial world in one place. So who are the big players in this hybrid space? First, there's AvaTrade, a globally regulated powerhouse. That regulation part gives a lot of traders serious peace of mind. Then you have Exness, which is known for its pro-level features like super low spreads. That's the little gap between the buy and sell price, and you can get your money out instantly. And if you're a fan of the classic MetaTrader software, IC Markets has you covered. They integrate it beautifully with crypto. Whew, okay. We have covered a lot of ground today. So let's pull it all together. It's time for the final section, your ultimate cheat sheet. Think of this as the treasure map that leads you straight to the perfect exchange for you. All right, let's run through this. Quick and easy for pretty much everyone, especially beginners. Binance is the industry standard. It's the place to start. Are you an altcoin hunter? Go straight to MEXC for the lowest fees and the earliest gems, period. Want to learn by copying the pros? Being X and its copy trading is an absolute game changer. If you just want the biggest possible menu of coins to choose from, KuCoin is your place. And finally, for the serious high-frequency traders out there, the speed and low spreads of Exness are exactly what you need. Oh, and here's a quick tip, especially for beginners. If you log into some of these exchanges and feel totally overwhelmed by all the crazy charts and blinking numbers, don't panic. A lot of the big ones, like Binance and KuCoin, offer a light mode. You just flip a switch and all that complexity disappears, leaving you with a super simple buy and sell screen. It's perfect for just getting your feet wet. So where is all this heading? What's the big picture here? Well, it's pretty clear that the old walls between traditional banking and this new world of decentralized finance are coming down. The lines are getting blurrier every single day, and it's these hybrid platforms like AvaTrade and PrimeXBT that are really leading the charge into this new integrated financial future. You know, picking the right exchange, that's your ticket into this whole new financial world. We've laid out the map. We've shown you the different paths you can take. But now it's your turn. Your adventure is literally about to begin. So the only question left is, which path are you going to choose first?